Guys, today's video is a property tour which you guys requested me on Instagram, and I bring to you a beautiful luxury property called Aahana the Corbett Wilderness. This is located in Jim Corbett National Park area and is just a 10-minute drive from the Dhela and Jhirna zone of the Corbett Tiger Reserve.
Like a Tennessee river in the morning takes your breath without a warning.
Feels like home.
Like smoke rising up from the mountains, all the beauty surrounds.
Feels like home.
Like Elvis and Dolly singing a melody that's bringing you
Home.
'Cause it feels like home.
Feels like home. Feels like home.
The brand calls itself a sustainable luxury project and home grows all its vegetable produce and also has a waste management system right on the property. It is an 11-acre land on which this property and its grounds are built, and it borders the Brijrani Zone of Corbett Tiger Reserve. There are around 50 rooms in total in this property, including 10 to 15 villas. For our stay, we had booked a base category room which has an attached balcony, an attached toilet, overlooks the beautiful garden on one side and also the jungle on the other, and is generally a very comfortable room.
like Elvis and Dolly singing a melody that's bringing you home. 'Cause it feels like home.
Feels like home. Feels like home.
The property has a huge dining area with both indoor and outdoor sitting, which is right next to their swimming pool, and they have an in-house bakery which bakes fresh breads and fresh cakes for you to eat and munch on the entire day. And also they have some brilliant chefs on their team to give you some delicious food throughout the day.
Feels like home. Feels like home. Feels like home. Feels like home.
But what I personally found really interesting is their high tea concept, which is evening time tea, and they theme it according to different themes. Like we experienced a Punjabi high tea and a Kumauni high tea while our stay there. They also have a Victorian high tea, and the decor and the menu is decided as per the high tea. The other amenities that you can enjoy is their beautiful swimming pool. They also have a section of board games and a section in the garden for the kids to play in. They also have a naturopathy center, a spa, a gymnasium. So there are quite a few things to choose from while you stay in this beautiful property. Another highlight of your stay would be the evenings and the dinner time. It is so beautiful in the property with fairy lights, with a seating next to the swimming pool, with bonfire in winters and some live performance by singers who come there every evening to entertain you. You can also request the property in case you want to celebrate a special day in a special way. And we informed the property that it was our anniversary and they arranged for a cake for us, and it was just really a very beautiful experience. But for a slight bit of extra cost perhaps, you can actually take it to next level and have a little section decorated for you and your loved one, and have a special little private evening right there in the property. So I would definitely recommend you to look at this property as an option if you're looking to celebrate that special occasion, or you want a luxury or a 5-star property in Jim Corbett. However, we loved our stay, but we did have a tiny bit of a problem with the service in the place. But besides that, I think we really had a great time. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you stay tuned to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Next video would be guide to booking a safari in Jim Corbett. So do stay tuned. Thank you.
Like a Tennessee river in the morning takes your breath without a warning.
Feels like home.